Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Hey girl, hey, or if you're new, welcome. Before I forget, and before you forget too, don't forget, if you're not already, to click on that red subscribe button for me, please. Girl, there are so many videos coming, you have no idea. So, as you can see by the title, girl, you know I had to get this palette. As soon as you saw those pictures, leaked pictures, some of us were automatically like, I need that palette. Yesterday, I was one of them. And as soon as I saw Jackie's video, no joke, I was like, yes, I need that, like, yesterday. So today, I will be sharing with you all my first impressions because I've only used it twice, yesterday and today. I got it in the mail on Thursday, played with it yesterday, today's Saturday. So I want to get this video up for you all as soon as possible. Of course, I'm going to be sharing with you all swatches in the natural daylight, doing this really simple look. As I always say, girl, if I can do it, you can definitely do it too. I'm not sure how it's gonna look on the camera, or if some of you are even feeling this look. Some of you might be like, oh, those colors don't really go together. But I knew I was gonna wear this, so I thought to myself, I really want like a deeper purple, but I really want to use one shadow, and you already know what it is. So without further ado, get comfortable. Hopefully this video isn't too long because I don't intend it to be, but get comfortable for some swatches, a really quick eye demo, and of course my first impression on the very newly launched and unfortunately limited edition Anastasia Beverly Hills and Miss Jackie herself, Jackie Aina palette. Girl, you don't want to miss it. Like, don't miss it. Don't. Then keep on watching, girl. Completely honest with you all, I was not planning on making a video because I know everyone and their mom, which is great. I'm not hating, I'm just saying it's the truth, girl. You're gonna see it on YouTube. Like, there's gonna be so many videos on your subscription box of this palette, which is great, and I'm all for it. On this palette, I did not want to make a video because I knew it, and I'm like, you know what, by the time I get to it, it's like gonna be irrelevant, you know? Like, people are gonna have already watched so many videos, they're gonna be like, okay, I'm done watching any more review videos. But I did post a picture on Instagram, got it with the full intention of not making a video, and I don't know why I even ordered off ABH. That's how much I really wanted the palette, that I couldn't wait a week. I just really wanted this palette. I'm not sure there is one specific color that I will discuss in detail afterwards. The palette itself costs 45 USD just in the regular box. But if you buy the launch edition with this PR box, which I thought is just everything, this costs $55, so $10 more for this really nice PR mailer box. Like I said, I really was not planning on making a video, but I posted a picture on Instagram and a lot of you said, oh my gosh, I can't wait for your review video. And I said, oh girl, I wasn't planning on making a review video, but it is what it is. I'm here. I definitely appreciate you all reaching out and letting me know, like, I can't wait to see your review video. So I'm definitely doing swatches for you all. I tried out the palette yesterday, I tried out the palette today. I did this super simple eyeshadow look. Let's just get the basics, the 411 out of the way. This retails for 45 USD. I got my palette off AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. It will be launching at Sephora and all other retailers on August 15th. Now, in case you didn't know, if you've been living in the rock for the past 24 hours, or maybe more so by the time you're seeing this video, in case you didn't know, Sephora is actually doing a summer event, which rightfully so they should, going to start on August 19th, which is going to give all Sephora VIB Rouges a 20% off coupon code, which I hear is unlimited, girl. So yes, stock up. Let's get on with the swatches. Look at that, and I absolutely love the logo. It's so Jackie. I love it. Let me do a zoom in for you all. Okay. Okay. All right. That's one. Supreme. Pinker. There's Pinker. Wow. Okay. Big wig. Wow, look at that purple. Oh my gosh. Don't even know if I was expecting it to be that deep of a purple, but look at that. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. I am so shook. Let's. Wow. How many times have I said wow already? Do you see this color, girl? Oh my gosh. That is like the smallest swipe. Wow. Wow. Shookington right now. All right, Shookington. I have trust issues after swatching all of the other shades. I have trust issues for sure, okay? I'm just so shook at how nice. Oh, these edges, look. Oh my gosh. Look at that shift. You see that duochrome shift? I know what she's saying. I know exactly what she's saying now. Wow. You're right, this isn't too red and it's not too deep. Oh, this is so nice. Those are the pictures and swatches and quick little eye demo on the brand new and limited edition ABH and Jackie Aina palette. Let me know, because I know some of you already snatched this palette too. Let me know your thoughts down below. Are you waiting for this to hit Sephora, Ulta, Macy's, etc. on the 15th? Let me know. Hopefully this video's up by then. My first impressions, I am impressed. Very much impressed. I am, first of all, I am just so, I'm so happy for Jackie. I haven't been, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you all and say I've been like a subscriber since day one. No, but I definitely respect what she does. I love her videos. Oh my gosh, she's a mood, complete mood. But I'm not gonna sit here and tell you all like I got this because of Jackie, and I'm totally, I love Jackie, don't get me wrong, okay? But the reason why I got this palette is honestly this color right here. I saw the video and I was like, as soon as she like showed the palette, I was like, yes, right here, this, can you show this? And when she swatched it, I was just like, okay, yeah, I need this palette like now, ASAP, girl. And I think honestly that is the reason why I purchased it so quickly. And I was just like, I need it, I'm not gonna wait a week, I need this now. And I'm so glad that I did buy it. I'm so very happy with this palette. I have never had a palette swatch so richly on my arm. Now Miss Jackie might disagree with me because she is not a really big fan of arm swatches. I get it, but like I've said so many times, for me they're really good indicators on how they're gonna apply for me. Now this swatched wonderfully. When actually using them on my eyes, it's just like, yes, it's a full circle, girl. It delivered, and I am so happy to say that. I was just so happy. These colors are just absolutely gorgeous, and they apply so nicely on your eye. It's unreal. This isn't a sponsored video. Jackie didn't send me this palette. Claudia, Anastasia did not, no one sent me this palette, okay girl? I paid for it with my own money. I was just so excited for this palette. I'm so glad I picked it up. I'm a little low-key jealous if you're gonna get that 20% off that Sephora is giving rouges and VIBs, 15-20%, what have you. I've heard from some of you, you're not gonna wait, you're gonna get it girl, snatch it. You do not want to miss it. You do not want to miss it. It is a really nice palette, especially for us tanner, deeper skin. Not just saying it's inclusive for us, but oh my gosh, these shades, honestly, I have never said wow so many times while swatching a palette. It was unreal. It is unreal, like using these on your eyes. It's actually the color that's in the palette, and it doesn't take that long for it to be worked up in my eye. These, yes, it's a total yes. You want like short and sweet, go get this palette. Do not regret it. It is limited edition. If it wasn't limited edition, I'd be like, you know, girl, you could, you know, get it as a gift or wait. But since it is limited edition, I do have to say, you do have to get this. This is one of my favorite throwback ABH palettes for sure. This is the ABH and Dress Your Face palette, which this palette in itself means a whole lot to me because this was actually purchased by my friend here on YouTube, Miss Jerlyn Fawn. So shout out to you, girl. I absolutely love this, and I know it sounds really cheesy to some of you, but this holds a really special place in my heart because she bought it for me. I don't know why I like the warmth, and I absolutely love this shade, as you can tell. Absolutely love this shade, and I think this shade in particular is the reason why the Jackie Aina palette just called out to me. I don't know why, I just wanted to throw this out there, that it just reminded me of this palette, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I really want this palette. So I definitely recommend it. I can't say enough good things. Also, something that I failed to mention while I was doing my swatches is that there was hardly any fallout. Yes, there's gonna be fallout. Of course there's gonna be fallout, especially the more pigmented the shadow, it's gonna have fallout. That's just inevitable. It doesn't matter what brand. I've said this a million times. But when I swatched in comparison my Natasha Denona Sunrise and Sunset palette, ooh girl, there was fallout all over my table here. When I swatched the Jackie Aina palette, I was like, ooh, there's nothing on my table. It's not like I did it intentionally, but there was very minimal fallout, which is just, yes. I can't say enough good things about this palette, so go get it. Go get it. I absolutely recommend this for sure. If your birthday's coming up, if your birthday's not coming up, still go get it. Do you spoil yourself and treat yourself, girl, because it's limited edition, and once it's gone, just like this one, it's gone. So I definitely recommend it. I hope this video was informational. If it was, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you snatched a palette, let me know down below if you're planning on snatching it. Also, let me know if you're still a little I don't know what to say, what else I could say. Like, those swatches were just shook-it enough for me. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope this video was informational. If it was, you know the drill. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up for me before you bounce. And also, if you haven't already, click that red subscribe button for me, please. Don't forget also to click on that little notification bell, because your girl is coming back with a vengeance. I'm serious. I have so many videos planned and getting ready to edit. So thank you all so much for watching and spending hopefully a short amount of your day with me. But I do hope you all have a great rest of your day. I love you all so much, and I will see you all next time. Bye everyone.